Hey guys, today we're going to replace the power supply on this Canon Maxify MB2320 printer. This will also apply to printers similar to it. So the power supply is located at the very bottom on the left side of the printer. So if I turn it around, power supply is located right here. That's where you would connect your power cord. To get access to it, I'm going to flip the printer on its side like that. This is where the power supply is, and it's easy to access from the bottom. There are clips, one clip right here, and then there's another clip on this side. I'm going to get a flathead screwdriver, just push this one back, and pull the power supply out, kind of towards you. I'm going to do the same thing here. Just like it went back here, so kind of like that. Now just remove this wire from this loop right here and release it from here. There we go, just one cord at a time. Be careful not to damage or rip the cords out of the connection. There you go. So you can see how it's kind of tight, and you just have to remove one at a time. So that's the power supply. This is where you will find the information. This is K30361 is the part number. Then there's another part number, QK20205. This one is for the Maxify MB2320, similar models for the US and Canada region. That's what it looks like. When you're replacing it, you just need to connect it the same way. Just like that. All with cords one at a time. This wheel over here. And then just slide it in. And there you have it. So that's how you replace the power supply on the Canon MB2320 and similar printers. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and have a great day.